everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm planning my Hobonichi Cousin for the week of November the 6th. And I'm going to be using the stickers from the Coffee Monsterz Co, the November kit, and I really like the colors in this one. The sort of pistachio green and the kind of warmer browns. And I did use the kit to do my monthly for November, although I didn't film it. But yeah, here's what it looked like. So I think we'll get started. I think I'm just going to use probably just the regular numbers up top. Let me just grab my little kit here. Here we go. Yes, I do have some. All right, let me get these on. All right, so I've got the numbers up top. And I probably should have sat for a few minutes before I started kind of jumping into this. Okay, so I'm going to put this washi along the bottom. I think it's going to go with the color of the kit. I'll see. Sometimes when they get on the paper, they look just a little bit different, but I think this will work. Just going to separate off the bottom bit. And this is a kind of exciting week because I'm actually on vacation after this week. So I start my vacation at the end of the week, and on Saturday I'll actually be off to the Dominican Republic for a nice week on a beach with Kelly, one of my best friends. So I've got those little bit of, I'll just put the line down here. I'm excited for it, but I'm getting those kind of, that little bit of anxiety you get before you're going away when you're thinking of all you have to do. And work has been exceptionally busy the last few weeks, more so than I expected. So yeah, that sort of built into things a little bit, but I'm so happy this weekend I was able to kind of decompress a bit, and yeah, so now I'm looking forward to it, but I want to plan this week well so that I don't want to be rushing around in the last couple days before I leave. There we go. All right. Okay, now time to kind of really think about how I'm going to do this. All right, let me... All right, now I think I need to put my work sticker down, and I want to use a bunch of these labels because I got the extra label sticker set too. So we'll put this down because it's got a bit of all of the colors, which will be nice. And I'll grab my work sticker, which I like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, maybe that'll be one of my things this week. Or actually, I am on vacation for 2 weeks, so I'll be a week away and a week home. So I think one of the things I'm gonna do within the week home is figure out my next order, probably my last one for the year, from Coffee Monsterz Co. All right, let me get my other arrow here. There we go. All right. And now what do I want to add next? Yeah, I probably should have thought this out in my mind a little bit more, but I just kind of was excited to do it. But yeah, a few minutes probably would have helped. Okay, so one of the things I know that's happening is Tuesday I am hosting co-hosting a virtual conference for my work all morning. So I'm gonna put that down. I was just thinking in my head how originally I thought I might use this week and kind of divide it into 3 parts along the bottom, and one for vacation stuff, one for home stuff, etc. But I think I am just going to go with kind of just my main list on the bottom. I have a few things like this one too. I'm getting my hair done. So I think what I'll do is just put down a couple of the main things that I know will be happening around the right times. And then the rest, I think I'll just use my today stickers. Probably we'll see how it goes. Okay, oh, actually I want to lift this up because then I can use this label and mark this down. There we go. And maybe I'll put an arrow down too, because that will be a solid time that I will definitely not be doing anything else. And I think that goes half day. Yep. Okay. Grab maybe this size arrow here. And yeah, I kind of vary how I do the setups depending on what's happening that week. This week I do want to be a little more precise about what I'm going to do each day. Okay, what else? Oh, I have another, because I'm going to be on Friday taking myself and my cats to my parents' house because they're going to be staying with them. So I'll put a little house sticker. So that'll definitely be happening Friday. So I think those 3 things are the only things that are a little more, have a more specific time. So now the rest I can just kind of work around that. And I think I'll put this box down here, not for next week because I won't really be here, but for what's coming up in the weeks when I'm back, because I do like to have a little spot to note those things. And then I think along the bottom, yeah, I think this time, because I do have some extra of these stickers, I'm just gonna alternate putting these stickers down, and I'll use these areas down below for, hi Ren, different lists of things. I know, I hear you. You helping? Oh, okay. And one more. Let's go with this one. Yeah, I really like the colors in this. It's very kind of warm, and I like the kind of treat theme with it as well, especially in the fall. I think one of the stickers looks like, I think it's like a piece of pecan pie on it. Looks so good. All right, so that's looking okay. Now, what else do I want to... I'm actually leaving on that day, so I should probably put a box down for that. And maybe little balloons. Yeah, it'll be a happy time. Hi, Rand. Yes, you're very excited, aren't you? This is another color scheme that kind of goes with you. All right, I know. Because she's funny. She's got this little bit of orange on her nose that's really cute, so it's kind of reminding me of this. All right, okay, let's put, and then I'm going to use these. I'm going to put the today stickers, and a lot of the time I just put like a wipe of a marker behind it to give it color because they are translucent, but because I do have more of these and I really like these stickers, I'm going to use them in the background. So Monday will be a good day. I'll have a little more space, more time to hopefully get a few more things done. And then I'll put this one kind of more along the bottom because as much as I enjoy hosting these virtual events, I still have the rest of my work day, and I find it's just a little more draining. So I'll put the today down at the bottom, so maybe it'll be a few less things that I'll be doing. Yeah, and I kind of like this with kind of the main areas where I know I have things to do, because it helps me balance out the rest of the day. Because if I do have more things, then it's sort of a cue for me that, you know, I should give myself a bit of a break in the other area. But I think Monday and Thursday are pretty open, and even Friday. Not open, I'm still working all day, but yeah, so maybe we'll put this here, hopefully get a few things done. That'll be the midweek point, so it might end up just sort of catching some of the other things that I haven't gotten done in the few days prior. It's a little wonky, that's okay. And we'll do one for Thursday. And we'll put this one up along the top as well. At this point, that Thursday at work, it'll kind of depend how the week's gone. Yeah, the last couple of weeks have been much busier than I anticipated. So I think how ambitious I'll be on this day will depend on, on how that's gone. But I think we should be able to get a few things done. And that will be my last kind of normal at home day, because Friday, in addition to work, I'll also be heading over to my parents' house, and I'll likely stay over there just so I'm there with the cats for a night. They'll be fine, but and I think I'll actually move this down because that'll end up being one of the things for the day, and I will want to make sure to get that out because it is a garbage and recycling day. There we go. I'm really liking the way this is looking. Yeah, this is good. Okay, what else do I want to add now? I think I wanted to put, I gotta put something in the left-hand column. Let me see, I think this box will look cute. It's got the little sort of drippy stuff at the bottom. And then I want to put here yeah, I want to put this down. I'm so excited because my vacation will be coming up. I think that looks good. And I'll put this, I'm not sure what I'll put here. I'm not going to put a ton of stuff on the left. I'm not going to do any trackers or anything this week. Because it will just be what it will be. That's okay. I think I want a little more something up top. Maybe I'll use this and kind of tuck it underneath just to give it, yeah, I like the rounded corners on things, and the sticker is just like a square one. So I think maybe I'll just lift this up a little bit. And yeah, use the pink because it goes with the pink and I'm excited. So maybe I'll just lift this up a bit. There we go. And I'll just put, probably underneath that later, I'll put maybe like 1 week till vacation or something. And then I think underneath, I'll probably just end up just putting a couple of words to kind of remind myself to stay calm and relax. I don't want to ramp up my anxiety this week. All right, and I will start to fill some of these things in. So this is going to be RMW. So RMW is what I put. You might have seen it a few times. So that's kind of the street that my parents are on. So when I put RMW, it's kind of going to their place and seeing them. And this will be getting Z and Ren over there. Oh, Ren is looking at me so sweet right now. And this is Carolina taking a kind of early lunch from work and getting my hair done. Pardon me. And the last thing up there is my work conference, which is virtual, so it's nice. I don't actually have to leave my home. We're doing a live version of it, a full day-long live version of it, but not till I'm back from vacation. It's actually the second day I'm back to work, so that'll be interesting, but that's a future me issue. So I'll just put, I just say conference, and I'll put a note. Yeah, I'll put it's virtual. So yeah, I know that day after that, and then my kind of normal work I have to do in the afternoon. Probably won't get a whole lot else done, but that's okay. All right, yeah, this is looking pretty good. Now, what else do I want to do? I'm also, my mind's starting to think about, oh yeah, here I was going to put a note about going on my vacation, going away for just the 1 week, but it's going to be nice. I haven't been away like this since the pandemic, because the year before my father had some health issues. And so, any normal trips that I would usually do, either to Florida or, like this beach vacation with a friend or Vegas or anywhere I used to go, I just haven't been anywhere. For the last few years, I take my weeks off, but they're usually just home or little day trips. So I'm really excited to do this, to go away. And Kelly and I, traditionally, like every couple years, we would go away and do one of these all-inclusives, but it has been ages, so I am looking forward to it. And here is the full spread. I ended up having to pause for a while, and then I sort of came back and added some more to it. So here is kind of what it finally looks like. So I did, up on the right, I changed the vacation thing just to spread over the couple days. I put a couple of the sticky notes down, as well as some of the, I remembered I had some kind of summery tropical drink stickers. So I put those down too, and yeah, just filled in a few more areas. So I think it's looking really good. And yeah, I'm sorry I hadn't recorded all my kind of filling in the little details and putting in the last stickers, but I think my brain is already on vacation. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.